we're flying through these heats. Heat 6 already, NZ. Let's look at the lineup for tonight. Who have we got?
Really do like these super vans. And here's Gary Wizard for Golden Hour Racing. He's carrying what? 99.6 grams of raw power. Let's go, Gary.
And all the way from New Zealand, and a team that's raced on this track many times. This is Hot Wheel Boys. This is a HW van. Superman Dion's behind the wheel, weighing 78 grams.
A nice warm welcome to Betsy Woods driving Misty for Lost Coast Racing. This team owner owns a track in which he takes great delight in setting fire to any vehicle sent in by NZ Racing. Good luck tonight, Betsy.
And back for another crack into the semis. This is Blue Line Racing. The name is Blue Colour Charger, and Blue Line's racing behind the wheels at 100 grams.
Hot Wheels Boys from New Zealand is on track, so the other three teams had better be careful, mainly because he's got a reputation of crashing. A really good build there, Lost Coast Racing. And congratulations, Betsy Woods. You're off to the semis.
Team Blue Line Racing doing the double, and both cars going through to the semi-finals. Wow, this team is on fire. Congratulations, Blue Line Racing. Let's wrap up this heat, NZ.
And there you have it, right on cue. Superman Dion crashes at turn 1.
Yes, that was an unfortunate rollover right there. Race 2, Golden Hour Racing had a bit of a problem on the side of the track.
As you can plainly see, Gary Wizard has just found out there are no shortcuts. Now, unfortunately, with Gary Wizard still stuck in the long grass, and with Superman Dion driving a lemon, we're going to have to say goodbye to these two drivers and their fantastic builds. Hard luck, gentlemen.
Thanks again, NZ. Yes, that was some sensational racing right here in Vantastic. Until next time, I see you all in Heat 7. Catch you later.